Before we get into today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on these breathtaking yet fun moments. Thank you. It all started at around 11:30 a.m. on July 30th, 2025 on the Kamchatka Peninsula, a wild, volcanic, snow-covered land. At that moment, the ground shook violently as if nature were rising up, roaring from the depths of the ocean. The epicenter of the earthquake was determined to be 161 kilometers east of the city of Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, at a depth of 32 kilometers under the Pacific Ocean. This was no ordinary tremor. Experts quickly confirmed it was a megathrust earthquake, a type of super-strong earthquake that occurs when the Pacific Plate slides deep under the Okhotsk Plate right in the Kurilsk-Kamchatka Trench, one of the most dangerous hotspots on the planet. The quake had a magnitude of 8.8, making it the strongest earthquake to hit the region since 1952. Even as powerful as the one that hit Japan in 2011, for the people here it was more than just a quake. It was the moment everything changed. Their homes were no longer safe. The ground was no longer reliable. And the sea, the very thing that fed them, suddenly became a menace. Tsunami warning spread Russia, Kuril Islands, Japan, Alaska, California, Oregon, and Hawaii. The first wave hit Severo-Kurilsk, flooding coastal areas, washing away the Alade fish factory. A viral clip shows water rushing through buildings and infrastructure. Nearly 2,000 people were evacuated with several minor injuries, including a woman at Elizovo Airport. The governor of Kamchatka called it the strongest earthquake in more than 10 years. Warning of aftershocks of up to 7.5. Waves up to 4 meters high destroyed port ships and coastal structures. Smaller waves, 15-60 centimeter, also affected Ust-Kamchatsky and Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky. The Russian Ministry of Emergency Situations ordered the evacuation of low-lying areas and checked the structures of schools, hospitals, and houses. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center estimated that waves 1 to 3 meters high could hit Hawaii. Sirens sounded across the island. Thousands of people ran to higher ground, causing traffic jams. The governor of Hawaii urged people to stay away from the beach and stay alert. Similar warnings were issued for Alaska, California, and Oregon, but the impact was less severe than expected.
Вон город ваши. Дома, я имею в виду. Никого нет.
Это хостел поплыл.
There have been more than 50 aftershocks with a potential magnitude 7.5 earthquake in the next month. This is a typical subduction zone earthquake. The rift stretches nearly 200 km with the potential for large aftershocks very high. The long-term impact on Kamchatka and many Pacific coast communities. The quick evacuation saved many lives, but the region will face weeks of aftershocks and reconstruction. Authorities are urging vigilance as the danger is not over.
Вот это да.
Откуда летит?
Блядь! Все 10.
Господи, боже мой!
Ты документы взял? Да. О, палатка.
The Kamchatka earthquake will go down in the seismological records with its cold numbers magnitude. 8.8 tsunami waves 4 meters high. Thousands evacuated and aftershocks that lasted for weeks. But beyond the numbers are countless untold stories, children silently hugging their parents in the dark, old people who abandoned their lives to flee to high ground, and doctors who continued to operate as the walls shook beneath their feet. Nature gives no warning, and it spares no one. But amid the chaos, one thing has remained: human resilience. Thanks to early warning, timely response, and above all solidarity, millions of lives have been saved. Tomorrow the ground may shake again. The seas may rise again. But when people listen to nature and prepare seriously, we not only survive, we rise stronger each time. If you find the video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos from our channel.